Hey folks, Jim from Salvinos J R Models, and it is that time of the month again. New kits are starting to ship. I got a couple of them in the mail yesterday. I got the Chase Briscoe 2023 Ford Mustang and the Ryan Preece 2023 Ford Mustang. So let's take a look and see what's in the side of those boxes, eh? So here we go. We're going to kick it off with the Ryan Preece. And we'll open that thing up. And we have a white car inside. Who would have ever thought a white car? Yep, it's going to be white. Makes the decals a little easier. So there we go. There's that Ford body. White. Round and squishy things are indeed round and squishy. We've got a whole bunch of parts here for you. What I'm going to do is I may open them up on the Chase Briscoe Mahindra, and we'll take a look at those in a second. But here's all the parts and pieces. Let me get stuff out of the way. There's the clear tree. Looks like everything's there. Kind of hard to see in the bag and clear. But this comes with the white hood. You're going to have to paint some parts if you want to underneath. You know, you don't have to, but if you want to, you can paint those black parts black for the under the hood and the dashboard. Now let's get into the decals. Actually, you know what? I'm going to set these decals aside for just a minute, and I'm going to go ahead and open up the Chase Briscoe so we can kind of look at some of the stuff side by side. So there is our Preece white Ford Mustang and our Briscoe red Ford Mustang. And we do them in the colors so that all you have to do, if you don't want to paint them, you don't have to paint them. You can just decal over on top of that. So there we go with those. Once again, round and squishies are that. There is the matching red hood. So the good folks over at Town Bowl do a pretty stinking good job of matching the colors. So you really don't need to paint anything. You can just go and decal it. But you know what? If you guys want to paint, you can paint. It is entirely up to you. It's your kits. You're the boss there, right? Okay, so let's see. They both have the standard Chevrolet or Ford black decal sheets. So there we go. There is the Ryan Preece blue sheet. That looks good. That looks really good. Let's see. Ooh, I think we've got. Oh man, we got a lot of stuff in here. We got a lot of stuff in here for the Chase Briscoe. We got another top sheet decal. It's got a lot of other parts on there that maybe they're just additional I haven't seen. And then here's the Chase Briscoe has 2 sheets of decals. So you can have the looks like the Mahindra tractor with the mud splattered on the sides, and that goes on the back deck. Okay, the rear end. Let's see, what were those on there? Yeah. So there's got some double stuff on here, some of the black on here, but it's got the mud splatters. Those are pretty cool. Clay did a really well. I always like to pump up Clay. He always does such a great job on the decals, but that's really neat. Somebody was asking me if we were going to do this one with the Mahindra with the mud splatter and everything. So there you go with that. So that looks pretty stinking good. Well done, Clay. I might as well show these off a little bit more. I didn't. I just kind of opened them up, set them there. That's pretty. Those blues are really look nice. A little bit of silver on there. So, yep, Mr. Kemp knocked it out of the park as per usual. So that was kind of whipping through and letting you see what's inside the box of the Chase Briscoe and Ryan Preece. We tried for a long time to. I think we worked for a couple of years to try to get Stuart Haas as a licensor, and we finally did. And well, you know what happened to the team. So anyway, I think both those guys are going to be going on to other teams. We'll see how they do in 2025. But as for now, we've got those. If you're interested, they will be. They may be up. Actually, yes, they are up for order on the Salvinos J R Models.com site. You can pick up those. You can take a look at our news section where we got paints, we got brushes, we got knives, we got tools, we got glues. So if you need stuff like that, you can order some of those from us as kind of a little bit of a one-stop shop. Sorry, I believe we cannot send paints to Canada. Canada is no longer allowing anybody to send any paints in. So anyway, we do what we can, and those are available. SalvinosJRModels.com. And if you can, come join us on a Saturday morning on our Facebook page, facebook.com/Salvinos J R Models. You can take a look and see what we're doing and what we've got going on, and a little bit of bench racing and stuff like that. So, you know what? I just noticed I don't have, there it is, the QR code. So if you want to hit that with your phone, it'll take you right to the website. So hopefully you'll see us on a Saturday morning. I'm going to have another video for you maybe later on this afternoon, maybe tomorrow. Our Kit of the Month, it was a Richard Petty 1971 Plymouth Roadrunner, or Chrysler Plymouth. So anyway, thanks for following us. Thanks for buying and building SalvinosJRModels.com kits. Helps to turn up the volume just a little bit.